Hey y'all, so as requested from my last video, I am going to be showing you guys how to create your eBay store and how to create your Upwork account, and also show you guys how to find a virtual assistant on Upwork. I know I gave you guys 3 steps, which was to create the Amazon, eBay, and Upwork accounts, but we're not gonna focus on Amazon because I feel like Amazon is pretty straightforward. We're just gonna focus on eBay and Upwork in this video. So let's get into it. Okay, so the first thing we'll do is go to ebay.com. We're gonna create our account, we're gonna register, and basically just fill out all the information here. Once we create our personal account, we're going to skip this part. We can set that up later. We're going to go to sell. And then we're going to go to my eBay. And then you're just going to fill out the rest of your personal information. So on the next page that you'll see, you'll be able to look at your sales, your orders, and all of that good stuff. Now we're going to go into account, and we're just going to add a credit card for now. Once you start listing items, then you'll be able to add your account number so that you can get paid direct deposit. But as of now, we're just going to add a credit and debit card so that we can pay the seller fees that eBay has. Just to clarify, you don't have to add both a credit and debit card. You can just add one or the other. All right, so now we're going to go on to Upwork.com, and here is where we are going to find our virtual assistant. So we're going to sign up. We're going to choose I am a client hiring for a project, and then you're just going to fill out the information here. So now we're going to choose I'll do it without AI, and here is where we're going to post our job. So this is kind of like Indeed, where on Indeed the company posts their job and we go on there and apply. However, on Upwork, we are the company and we're posting our jobs, and the virtual assistants are coming on here to apply to our jobs. So the title for our job is going to be eBay Dropshipping Store. And next, we're going to list all of the skills that we are looking for our virtual assistant to have. So these are our requirements. We want them to be skilled at eBay listings, drop shipping, eBay marketing, customer service, all of that good stuff. So next, we're going to choose the size of our project and the time that it will take. So I would say that this is a medium project. Even though we are a little business, baby, we a big deal. So we're going to treat this like a big business. But I chose medium because it isn't complex. It's pretty straightforward as far as what the virtual assistant needs to do. But we are looking for an expert as far as skill level, and this could become a full-time opportunity because we do want this to be long-term. And when it comes to location, we want to choose worldwide because sometimes it can be very expensive hiring virtual assistants in the US. So we're going to go worldwide because, you know, our US dollar goes a long way in other countries. So we're going to start out with $5. You can go lower if you choose, but just keep in mind, sometimes, not always, you get what you pay for. So here we're basically going to create our job description. We're going to put that we are looking for a virtual assistant to create our eBay store, list items, fulfill the orders, and do customer service. So that's pretty much a summary of what we are looking for. Now it's time to post our job. So once you post your job, you'll start receiving proposals. So in other words, people are going to start applying to your job. After we post our job, we do have to finish setting up some things. So it's going to have us verify our email and phone number. And once we verify that information, we are then going to set up our billing so that we can pay our virtual assistant. So I'm gonna go ahead and verify everything now, and then we're gonna move on to the next thing. Okay, so now that everything is verified and our billing is set up, Upwork is now going to show us a list of candidates that fit our job description. So what you're gonna do is just click on each person and read their profile. Make sure you read the reviews, just like shopping on Amazon. See what everyone is saying, and just really make sure that the virtual assistant has good reviews, because this is who is going to be running your store. This is the one that is in charge. So you want to make sure that your virtual assistant has good reviews and people are saying good things about them. So if you see someone here that you think would be a good fit for the role, then you would send them an invite so that they can take a look at your job posting and you guys can discuss the job further. So in all honesty, this is the most important part of this whole process, because here is where you are going to interview your potential virtual assistants, and they are going to tell you how they can grow your business and scale it to the next level. So for this part, I chose to skip it because it isn't required, but for the industry, you can choose e-commerce, and for the people, you can choose 2 to 9 employees. All right, so that is it for this video. I hope you guys learned something from it. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe, and also drop a comment and tell me what you learned, or if you have any questions that you want answered, let me know, and I'll either make another video about it or I will respond to your comments. So thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in the next video.